Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will share a story that can help you achieve happiness. I invite you to watch the entire video to discover the essence of this story and learn how it can bring joy to your life. There was a young man named Max who lived in a small village at the foot of a mountain range. Max was always fascinated by the world beyond his village, and he spent hours every day dreaming about all the things he could do and see if only he had the opportunity. One day, Max heard a wise old man say, "If you want to be happy, then it's very easy, but if you want to be happier than others, it's impossible." Max was intrigued by this statement, and he decided to seek out the old man to ask him what he meant. When Max found the old man, he asked him, "What do you mean by saying that if I want to be happier than others, it's impossible?" The old man replied, "Max, happiness is a subjective emotion that can be achieved by anyone. However, when you compare your happiness to that of others, you are no longer seeking happiness for its own sake, but rather for the sake of comparison. This makes it impossible for you to be happier than others because you are constantly comparing yourself to them." Max thought about this for a moment and realized that he had been seeking happiness in the wrong way. He had been comparing himself to others and always felt that he was missing out on something. But now he understood that happiness was a personal journey, and it was not necessary to compare himself to others. Max decided to take the old man's advice and focused on his own journey to happiness. He started exploring the mountains and the forests around his village and found joy in simple things like watching the sunset or listening to the birds chirping. Over time, Max realized that he was much happier than before, and he was no longer comparing himself to others. He had found his own path to happiness, and it was much more fulfilling than anything he had ever imagined. In conclusion, the wise old man was right. If we focus on our own journey to happiness, we will find that it is very easy to achieve. But if we try to be happier than others, we will always fall short because happiness is not a competition. It is a personal journey that we must take on our own terms. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. You won't want to miss the second part of this video, so be sure to stay tuned.